Hello, and today we're going to be taking a look at Amazon's new camera, or a camera company that they own, which is Blink. This is the home indoor camera, bit like a pet camera. It's wired, it's not wireless, 1080p, has day and night vision, HD vision, motion sensor, and it's also two-way audio. Yep, so we're going to unbox it now. I'm going to have a look at it. It retails at around £30 in the UK, roughly. It's Amazon enabled, Alexa enabled, sorry. Let's have a look. That's how it comes in the box. Not much to it. You've got the power brick for the UK. I'm guessing that's a European power brick, plug, whatever you want to call it. You've got the cable, so you can run it through USB, and also you can obviously plug the USB into the actual power plug. That's the manual. Not much to it. You got some screws with it, which I presume are mounting screws to mount it to the wall or to make sure it doesn't fall over. And then you've got the camera itself, which is pretty much, that's it. Wrapped up, so it says remove before using, which we'll do in a bit. That's where the holes are for the mounting screws, so you could presume you could mount it to the wall and have it looking down. Like I said, it's a plug and play, has to be wired, it's not battery powered. You can store the video locally, or you can subscribe to Amazon's cloud, the Blink cloud, which is free at the moment, but would then be £2.50 a month for one camera, or £8 a month for unlimited cameras. And I think you get around 7,000 minutes of recording. And yeah, you can run it off your smartphone. We'll download the app, the Blink app, and see how that goes. And you can watch your pets or your indoor remotely, obviously, from a computer, smartphone or iPad. Right, so we'll set it up next and see how easy it is to set up. So we will plug the USB into the back of the camera and got the plug, which is also plugged into the cable. We go to the app next. You scan the back of the camera, create a new system, so that asks you for a name. You get the blinking light, which is looking for the camera. Get your camera to join the network. Wait for the network to join. And there is the picture that comes through now. That's obviously shown on my phone via screen recording. You can see that the picture is quite clear. You can record that picture or just look at it live. And just before we go, it's a picture of the camera recording the dogs and the use of the talk function. So you just press the button and speak into the mic, and then that relays that audio to the camera. So you can tell your dogs to behave if they're not behaving. So that pretty much covers all of the features on the camera. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.